have done already rule number 1 and rule number 2. Now we go into the third rule for the correct position of the adverbs. Okay, rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3. What does rule number 3 says? Let's look at it. Rule number 3 says, when there is more than one adverb, sometimes in a sentence 2 adverbs will come. So the rule number 3 says, when there is more than one adverb modifying a verb. Okay, so you have more than one adverb and the 2 adverbs modifies the verb. The usual order is adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. So the rule number 3 says, if there is an adverb, okay, if there are 2 adverbs and it modifies a verb, what is the order? The order will be adverb of manner, adverb of place, then time. Manner, place, time. Manner, you just have to remember manner, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Just follow that order. When there are more than one adverb, that's what we are going to do now. Okay, with the example you will understand better. When there is more than one verb, more than one adverb, modifying a verb, then what happens? The usual order grammar order to be followed. The usual order is first adverb of manner, adverb of manner, and next will be adverb of place, followed by adverb of place, adverb of place, and finally adverb of time. Place followed by adverb of time. The rule number 3 says, when there are more than 2 adverbs modifying a verb, then the order is, the usual order we follow, adverb of manner, adverb of place, followed by adverb of time. Now we do some examples for us to understand the rule. So when there is more than one adverb modifying a verb, the order followed is first adverb of manner, followed by adverb of place, followed by adverb of time. That's the order we follow. Okay, now let's look at it. First one, he danced well. He danced. He danced well at the concert. He danced well at the concert yesterday. He danced well at the concert yesterday. Now, second one, we must reach. We must reach. We must reach home at 4 o'clock. 4 p.m. 4 p.m. every day. 4 p.m. every day. She spoke clearly. She spoke clearly. During the meeting today. Meeting today. Now, what are we looking at here? We said when there is more than one adverb modifying the verb. Okay? Verb, then the usual order is adverb of manner followed by place and time. Now, the adverb of here is manner is danced. He danced. How did he dance? He danced well at the concert yesterday. Now, we are talking about here the adverb. He danced, adverb of manner, followed by, how did he dance? Well, concert. That is the, what took place, that's the place, concert, where? At the concert, time, yesterday. So, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. You saw how it follows. Now, we must reach home. He must reach home at time. You saw 4 o'clock every day, not one day. Okay. Now, here we have, we must reach home at 4 p.m. every day. Now, we must reach adverb manner where? When? Time, adverb of time, adverb of place, where? Home. Every day we have to reach at 4 p.m. She spoke clearly during the meeting. She spoke clearly during the meeting today. So, now we are talking about how did she speak? She spoke clearly. Adverb of manner, then place, during the meeting, time, adverb of time, today. So we got all the three in order, one follows the other. Okay? So the third rule says, the third rule in the positioning of the adverb, here it says, he danced. Now adverbs, verb is, that is the verb. Okay? the verb modifying is danced. Okay? And then what is the follow-up here? Adverb of manner. Well. How did he dance? Well. Adverb of place. Where? At the concert. Time. Adverb of time. Yesterday. Okay? And in the second we have, we must reach. We must reach. Reach is the verb modifying and adverb of manner. Home. We must reach home. Then time followed by yesterday, every day, not one day. We must reach home at 4 p.m. every day. She spoke clearly during the meeting today. Spoke, the adverb, the verbs modified the adverb clearly during the meeting today. So when you say clearly, what way she spoke? Adverb of manner, clearly. Adverb of place, where did she speak? Meeting. What time did she speak? She spoke today. So follows adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverbs of time. So in this third rule, we found that when there is more than one adverb modified by a verb, then the order followed is first adverb of manner, second adverb of place, and finally adverb of time. And from the examples, it's very, very clear.